Now dear students, we have added pins till 56 as our IC had 56 pins. So now it's time to write names of the pin and do a little of settings. As you can see that on the left side it's okay, the pin number is 1 to 28, but on the right side it starts on 56 to 29. But in our IC we have 29 to 56. So let me make a little setting on the right side of my symbol. On the right side from I need pin number 29 over here on the pin number 56. So one method is you click on this pin 56, hit edit, and let's change this pin to 29. And you also have to change the orientation from right to left, as for these pins on the right side the IC is on the left side. So hit OK. Now our orientation has changed as well as the pin number has changed. We can also change its name. 29 is A2. Go over here, click over here, hit E, and you can write A2 in the pin name and hit OK. This is one method of doing this, that you have to click on each of the pin individually and write the number and change its property. Let me tell you another method which is very easy. Let me control Z. What you have to do is, let me right click and select all of these pins from 29 to 56, right click on it, and the first thing is you have to click on mirror horizontally. Now you can see that the pin number after 28 is 29, 30 till 56. And next thing is we want our orientation of the pins such that the IC is on the left side. Right click on this and mirror horizontally. Now you can see that this little circle where wire is connected on the right side, while the other side is towards the IC. So we have done our orientation in accordance with this IC, that the pin number should be 1 to 28 on the left side, and from bottom to top on the right side should be 29 to 56. So on the right side we have 29 to 56. Let me realign this over here. Now it's time to add names of individual pin and change their electrical type. So as we have SDA, we have already done is as it is in the symbol of the symbol in the data sheet. Pin number 1 is SDA, pin number 2 is SCL, and now it's pin number 3. Pin number 3 in the data sheet is IO 0 underscore 0. It's IO underscore 0 underscore 0, and it's pin number 3, and it's an IO, it's bidirectional. This choosing an electric type helps us when we are going to run ERC, which we have studied in the previous section. The electrical rule checker, the KiCad checks that by keeping in mind the electrical type of the pin. So our pin number 3 is IO 0 underscore 0, pin number 3 bidirectional, hit OK. Similarly for pin number 4, pin number 4 is IO 01, that is IO 01, and it's bidirectional, hit OK. You can see that my names are changing. And pin number 5 is IO2, pin number 6 VSS, pin number 5 IO2, and hit OK. Pin number 6 is VSS, and its For the power, let me choose power input and hit OK. For pin number 7 is IO 03, 8 is 4, 9 is 5, 10 is 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. This hit, select the pin number 7, hit E, IO 0 underscore 3, IO 3, and it's bidirectional pin number 7, hit OK. Pin number 8 is IO 4, IO underscore 0 underscore 4. Let me copy this so that I can also choose right in the next. So its electrical type is bidirectional, hit OK. And pin number 9 is IO 5 and it's bidirectional, hit OK. Now pin number 9 is IO 5, pin number 10 is IO 6, pin number 10 is IO 6. Let me copy over, paste over here and enter. Pin number 10 is IO 6. And now it's time for pin number 11. Pin number 11 is you can see over here is VSS. Pin number 11 is VSS and hit OK. Another thing needs to be set, that it is power input, and hit OK. Now it's time for pin number 12. Pin number 12 says IO 07. Pin number 12 is IO 07. Oh, sorry. IO 07 and it's bidirectional, hit OK. Pin number 12, then 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17 is 10 to 14. 10 IO 10. Let me copy this for my use in next pins. IO 10. Pin number 13 is IO 10. IO 10. 14 is 1. 14 is 1 and bidirectional. 15 is 2, electrical type bidirectional, and 16 is 3, 17 is 4, 16 is 3, hit OK. 17 is 4, hit OK. Now it's time for 18. 18 is VDD and it's power in. 18 is VDD and it's power input, hit OK. And 19 is, pin number 19 is IO 15. It's IO 15 bidirectional, hit OK. Pin number 20 is 6, 21, 7, IO 16, and 21 is IO 17 and hit OK. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. Now 22 is IO 20. 22 is IO 20. IO 20. Let me copy this for my use in next pins. 22 is IO 20 and 23 is VSS. I am clicking on the pin and hitting E to open its pin properties. 23 is VSS, its power in, hit OK, and now 24 is IO2 1 2 IO 24 is IO1 IO2 124 is IO2 1 and bidirectional. 25 is IO2 pin 2. 26 is IO2 pin 3. IO2 pin 3 and bidirectional, hit OK. Sorry, 25 is IO2 pin 2. IO2 pin 2 and 26 is IO2 pin 3 and 27 is A0 and A8. 27 is A0 and it's the address line. Let me choose as input. Pin number 27 is A0. Pin number 28 is A1. It's again input and hit OK. Now you can see that we have changed the names and electrical type of the pins from pin number 1 to pin number 28. Similarly, we are going to change the electrical types of from pin number 29 to 26 and change their names in accordance with this symbol in our data sheet. So next we will start from 29 to 56 pins. So this is how our IC symbol is looking now. So in the next video we are going to update the remaining pins.